Do you want to increase visibility and reduce risk when backing your RV into a tight space around obstacles? I installed this Haloview 4-camera system on our Grand Design Solitude fifth wheel. This is our guide to installation and first impression. At first, I didn't think the system would be that helpful while on the road traveling from spot to spot. But overall, the rear camera and the side camera give a bonus view, but the RV door security camera is useless when traveling. I may move that camera to a better position in the future. More specifically, the side cameras are great for seeing your RV tires, like when they clear a curb at low speed or whether you should stop or slow down. However, I would not use the side cameras for making lane changing decisions because there is some latency in the system, a delay between when a car goes by and when I see it on the monitor. The rear camera does show the bike rack and how close the next car is to your rear end. An added bonus is that recording while traveling is like having a 4-camera dash cam in case of an incident. The monitor records each camera as a separate file. The quality of the recordings is not that great, but it may be helpful in case of an accident. The big advantage of the system, using it to help you park your RV. First, I can see Alice in the camera as she guides me into the spot. I can see her arms pointing out obstacles like sewer pipes. And now when she points, I know what direction she wants me to go. Second, I can see my blind side much better to avoid obstacles like trees, picnic benches, cars, and other RVs.